Basil for We Are Memory Keepers, and thanks for joining me here on our YouTube channel where we've got tons of project ideas, video tutorials, and helpful tips and tricks. So click around and take a look. I'm sure you'll find something that will inspire you and that will help make your crafting easier. We are almost to 45,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel here, and we want to celebrate when we get there. So we want to give something away to one of you, our awesome subscribers. And what we have to give away when we reach 45,000 is the Ultimate Toolkit, which includes the trim and scoreboard, which you can fold up for easy storage. It also includes a 12 by 12 cutting mat and 12-inch ruler. It's got paper scissors. It's got these little precision scissors with the non-stick coating as well. It's got this mini rotary trimmer which folds up for easy storage. It's got a sticky piercer with a stylus tool on, a piercing tool on the other end, and the sticky piercer on this end. And then it's also got a craft knife. It's got the large bone folder, which is great for folding and scoring, and also for die cutting for like multimedia projects or mixed media projects, for paste and things like that. And then it's also got a large adhesive roller. So that is a great value, that kit, and we want to give one away to one of you. So what you need to do is be sure to tell all your friends about our YouTube channel. Leave a comment below letting us know what you would do with this toolkit, whether you would keep it for yourself or give it away to a friend. Also, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and tell your friends to subscribe. And once we hit 45,000, we will pick one of our subscribers that commented below to win our Ultimate Toolkit.